from N2 to N1, ATB7 and A3B. So what to do? New pipeline I have to create it. Go to all, click on the training, new system, new pipeline. 83B, right? 80B7. 80B, yes, 7. This is my, okay. I did not select the spec. So go to properties, on the pipeline. Now go to your recently created pipeline. Go to the properties of your pipeline and A3B, A3B, enter, and okay. Now you have to come with from this nozzle to this nozzle. So what to do? The same simple thing is that mm, pipe from either from this nozzle or either from that nozzle. Click on this nozzle. What is the pipeline? It is the same. And what for the size? It is 80. Okay. And what for the spec? Right now I'm choosing N0. Go to your temperature. Lock your side. Change the view. It is not coming. Okay, pipe feature. I have to go piping feature. Root pipe. Click on the nozzle. Same thing I have already selected. Temperature 100, 50, enter. Okay, it's not taking yet. Yes, select the nozzle center point. Yes, it is highlighting and with the star. Click at this nozzle. If it is with some spec problem, it is not again. It will not take the pipe flange. So let me check with another spec. Okay, just wait. Let me undo this. Go to your pipeline. Route your pipe. Look at the center. Let me change the spec from N0 to which one I will take. Okay, 100. Paste. It is taking fitting to fitting means flange to flange. In this spec, we have to, it is taking flange to flange connection. So this spec is also not valid for this pipe run. See, some spec problem is there. You have to do some hit and trial method in this crack version. Okay. So how to do? Please mute yourself. Okay. So yes, how to do? One by one component you have to select if it will allow, if the spec will allow. Okay. So only the flange will come. It will come automatically. Nothing. Any formula is there? uh, how it will come here, it automatically come in with this nozzle. Okay. So, and another some things I will tell you about the tool. Okay, see, this is for the selection. If I need to select any pipe, okay, this is for the only for selection. Just click, right click, this is for route. And now if I want to split my pipe from the center, then what to do? Click on this insert pipe. I need to uh, delete my pipe from the center. So just click on this, click on the finish, click on this, click at the finish. Now see, two belts are there. I need to delete only from only at the center. So just select your that belted point and select it. Okay. So this tool will use to split your pipe from point to point anywhere. Actually, many cases will there when you have to split your pipe. Okay. Actually, projects are different types of projects are there. Some projects are greenfield, some are brownfield, some are as built. Okay, so accordingly uh, tools will use. Okay, if the project is very new, totally new, then many things you will not use. And if some as built projects are there, then many hit and trial method you have to use. So this tool will use maximum in as build projects as per my experience. Sometime we have to fix our pipe at the reference point. So one by one we have to delete one point and then fix our pipe point, this pipe point with that point, that reference point. Okay, accordingly we will proceed. Just undo it, undo it, undo it. Next, this you already know that this is insert component. Okay. And another one thing is that if see we have 2 points. Okay. I'm deleting this. Yes, this one and this one. I have 2 points. One is this point and another one is this point. If I need to route my pipe directly, then use this tool, quick route. Click on this. Okay, click on your first point and then click at the second point. Click at the join direct. It will join your pipe and finish. Okay, this tool will use at that time. So okay, next now I will take next line. This pipe is done, this pipe is done. Okay, so now next, yes, N4 vent is there, 104 inches to vent. It will at the atmosphere. So again 100 be 100. This is my vent nozzle. So I have to create again one run. Pipe run. Select this. Okay. So go to pipe, go to all, go to training, new system, new pipeline. What is the pipe name? 100 be 100. Go to pipe feature. Now N4 nozzle is there. Okay, so which nozzle is N4? And this is N4. Okay, so I have to route my line from this. This is my atmosphere vent nozzle. So go to piping feature, click on the route, select your nozzle. From this nozzle I have to route. This is my pipe line, 1.5 inch is this. Okay, so what I don't know why it is mentioning the 100. Okay, yes, now for the specifications I am taking now this spec. Go to the temperature and pressure. Change the spec in 0. Temperature. Change this. Go to nozzle. Pressure. Yes, it will. Now it will take for 300. Okay, the flange is automatically taken up. Now see, you have to check the view from the top. See, this pipe is directly connected, means it is wrong. I have to remodify it. Okay, because I have do this in a quick route, right? So we have to modify this from here to here and after here to here. So quick route option will come, in situation to situation will vary. So now I need to focus this line. This line is towards the atmosphere. So how I will route it? Atmosphere line will go to the atmosphere at some high point as per the standard for that project. So I will come, how I will come is totally depend upon a piping designer. So just check it from the, this is my view. So I will just check it from the top view. Okay, I have come to little bit up this time spool. I will come to towards the east side, because this space is empty for me. Okay, so I will come to east side, scroll towards the east, and then lock my position towards east side. Now I need to, this is for atmosphere vent line, so it obviously it will go towards the atmosphere. Come to upside with the help of some yes, come to upside, lock your position, and then click this point. Now you need to give a 45-degree elbow. So how you will give? Don't do anything. Go to insert component. If I need to give a 45-degree elbow, scroll it. This is my 45-degree direction. It will take automatically. Now see, it will automatically take the next pipe from that fitting. Okay, so select it at the for your requirement, then finish it. This is for the, this pipe is for the atmosphere venting. In live project, many things you have, means some structure will be there, support for the sport point of view. Okay, so accordingly you have to route. I need to modify this line. First delete it. Okay, from the top view, see the angle of your elbow has changed. Delete your elbow. Now just come from this elbow, go to root pipe. It will, okay, see the angle of this elbow also changed. So again delete this elbow and insert new one. Select with the sphere and route your pipe. It will take automatically from the center. Come towards the, south side. Lock your position towards the south side, and then lock your position till this center. Okay, then come to towards the east side. Okay, this is my east side. Lock your position, then click at the center of your, it will automatically connect. Okay, so how you can modify every line? So these three lines we have completed. Next line is, yes, and what for the, see, now what for this line N2 80B14 A3B, there is a, see, there is a control valve assembly. It means that there is a FCV flow control valve, there is a gate valve, there is a reducer, the same assembly is there. There is a glow valve, okay, and there is a bypass line. So I think you understand the PNID, right? Anyone have an issue? What is the meaning of for this bypass line? Yes, anyone?
Bypass line.
Yes, what is the use of this bypass line?
So whenever the this control var is maintenance, this is for the bypass.
Yes, correct. When this flow control valve is in maintenance, then we will just close the flow at this gate valve, okay, and then the flow from this nozzle comes towards this side, this side, this side, and it will go towards the fuel gas system. Okay, so this is the main purpose of bypass line. So mm, yes, another one thing is that there is some two valve gate valve. It is though it is already automatic control valve, flow control valve. It will controlled by the FT flow transmitter or some control station is there. So it will control by automatic. So what another two valve is there. It is manually operated. So we have
So
to,
this is for the blocking.
sorry.
So whenever we have to change or something do in the control bar, we have to first the block this two valve. This is the gate
Yes,
valve.
yes. What I said that we have to operate these two valve. Okay, if we are installing this two gate valve here, so what is the main purpose? We have to operate. Without operation, there is no use of these two gate valves. So we have to install these valve at that location where uh, operator can easily operate every valve. Okay. So we have to finalize according to our imagination while we route our pipe, so that that where we will install or model this control wall, whole control wall assembly, uh, to operate all these to all the valve. Okay, also for the maintenance of this control wall. So accordingly you have to decide. So it is your imagination and also as per your experience. Yes. So how I will do that? See, either one platform will be there at the center of the beside east side of my horizontal vessel, so that I will route my line from this nozzle, come towards the east side, then place my all controller assembly at the platform, and then I will move to the next. So how to how to make a platform? For platform, obviously you have to. This is the work of structure department. So they will model the platform and beams, column, all these things as per the standard. So and what we have to give input to the structure department. So how we will give input? From the boxes. So what to do? Go to task, equipment, make some boxes there with a very thin thickness. 25 mm thickness means it looks like a platform. I will just show you. Where is my shapes? This is my shapes. Okay. Now go to all, new system, new equipment system. I mention this. New hierarchy. New system. Your equipment system. Coordinate, place, design equipment for the coordinates. Okay, just take the coordinate from for anywhere. Rotating equipment horizontally. Okay. One window is in front of you. Name. I will keep the platform, the same process. Name rule is default or user defined, or it will depend upon you. Either it will depend upon the project. User defined or default name rule. Okay, default name rule. It means depend upon the project. Okay, click OK. Now the uh, coordinates are there. Just click at center of your workspace. Now what to do? Click on the your rectangular box. Yes, I have to give the dimensions. I will give 500 first. Then this for 500 and for the C thickness it is 25. Enter. Okay. Platform. Let me change the dimension. First I will install at anywhere. Okay. Now let me change the dimensions. Go to properties. Mm, from the center at the plan view, come towards the north side, and I place my assembly at point. Again, pick the move button, pick it from the center, go towards the west side, select it, move button, towards the east side, and yes, place it at here. So change the elevation view from downside, and okay, so how one platform will be there and in the live project, actually many things will be there in a live project. I'm just give you a little bit example. So how to route your line? So actually see, this is a one platform, one call, two, four columns are there, one column is here, one column is here. Okay, it means this is yes, uh, this is one interface where the operator will come with the ladder and it will move this platform so that our assembly will be there and he will operate all my assembly here. So what to do? Go to your uh, this is my line. Okay, 80B14. So what to do? Again, go to change your task, go to piping. Hmm. Yes, go to your all. Okay, I already made the 100B100 no? This is same line number 100B100. No, 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 no. Okay, this pipe run is different. So yes, previously we make this pipeline na? So just check the with the pipe run. Click on the pipe run. Click on this. This is my pipe run. Okay. So this pipe run is under this line 150B6. So how to change? How to move this pipe run from this pipeline to 100B100? How to do? Just select pipe run. See, I have selected pipe run. Click on this pipe run. It will select all your line. Go to pipeline. This is my pipeline. Scroll it. It is asking for more. Which pipeline I have to consider my pipe run? I need to uh, it it should be under 100 by 100. Click on 100 by 100. Click OK. It will move from this pipe pipeline to this pipeline. Okay. So these are not required. Actually, some pipe runs will come by default or some with some mistakes. So you have to delete all that pipe runs. So yes, today we have completed. Where is that? I have deleted one pipe run. Undo it. Undo it. Yes, it is here. Yes. So delete this 40. Delete this. What for the 80? Yes. Delete this. Click on this. This is by default. Now it is there is nothing under this pipe. Delete this. Okay. So today we have a model 3 pipeline and pipe runs. One is this and one is this. Next is this. So if someone tell you to change the spec of this pipeline, so how to change in SP3D? Okay, go to pipeline, select this 150B. All your pipeline is selected now. Okay, go to properties, and from the properties, actually one spec description is there. It when once we select our spec here, it will directly we have to go apply and it will directly change from here. Okay, it will not come here, but let me check with the pipe run if we need to change the spec from the piping run. Go to piping run, go to your inside of the run, go to properties, and if you need to change the spec of all your pipe run, then yes, this is my spec. Change your spec to anyone and after that click apply. Okay, it will, if I click N2, then see apply button is open. You just have to click apply. See, all my spec has completed. Click OK. So understand, is it understood now how we can change our, see these two things are not changed because this is under different pipe run. Also we need to change the specification for this pipe run. So select this pipe run, go to your properties. I have select N0 or which one spec I have selected? N0, na? N0. Yes, it is automatically it will take, I think. Yes, okay. So how you can change the spec in a one click in live projects? See, initially what happened, the specifications are not ready for the live projects. Okay, so it doesn't mean that we have to wait for the specifications. Okay, so what we will do, we will do route our lines in a dummy spec as we are doing, right? So we have to route our pipes in a dummy specs. Once spec will generated by the admin department or automation department, we will change our spec accordingly. Why this single clicks? Okay, You will understand what is the use of this spec change. Is it okay, right?